You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet, it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift the front and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts, lift the front of the car and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheel. Don't forget to slide it under your vehicle. The drive belt is found on the passenger side. You then have to remove the mudguard on the front right-hand side. Using a Torx T20 wrench, a socket wrench with a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver, remove all the holding screws and clips on the mudguard. Remove the mudguard. You can now see the drive belt. On this vehicle, the drive belt pulley pivots the alternator, which tightens or releases the drive belt when it moves. To remove the drive belt, it has to be relaxed. To do this, start by spraying the drive belt pulley with penetrating oil. Then, using a socket wrench and a 12mm socket, unscrew the fixing screws on the pulley a little. Then, using a socket wrench and a 14mm socket, unscrew the upper holding screws on the alternator a little. This will give it a little slack. Then, using a 10mm spanner, hold the pullet lock nut. Now, using a 12mm spanner, loosen the tension screw to release the drive belt. Once slack, you will be able to remove the drive belt. Check the state of the alternator belt and change it if necessary.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new drive belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. You can use a 19mm wrench to turn the different pulleys and correctly insert the belt into its housing. Then, you will have to tighten the pulley screws, which will shift the alternator and put the drive belt under tension. Be careful to ensure that the belt is not slack, but without going too far either, as you risk damaging it. Using a socket wrench, screw the fixing screws back on the pulley. Then those on the alternator. Put the mudguard back in. Reconnect the battery. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle putting it back on the ground. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.